Hi, this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets. I want to give you an opportunity to come to a special event, but let me give you a little bit of a sneak preview of what to expect and kind of what we're about. What if I told you you could double your money in 1 month trading in the Forex market? Do you believe me? Well, let's try to solve that quandary. I love my dog. That's all there is to it. My dog's my best friend, licks my face, isn't offended by my germs, listens to me better than anybody else I know, and, well, greets me no matter what the situation, no matter how I feel or how I'm acting, happy to see me. That's all there is to it. No, I'm just kidding. That's not why I said that. Pretty foreign idea, huh? Just throw out the idea, that crazy idea that you could double your money in a month and then flip the scenes and go into a love story with a dog. Well, I'm not even a dog person. I'm not even a cat person. But if you were a dog person or a cat person and I said I love my dog or I love my cat, I wouldn't have to go into all those mushy details for you to recognize exactly what I'm talking about. So, with that said, let's talk about this. Doubling your money in 1 month. What would it take? Success equals consistency. Without consistency, success does not take place. You have to have consistency because success means longevity. Alright, so let's talk about what that's going to take. You need to know how, what, why, where, when, and how to make it work. We can provide that for you. And the cool thing about it is, it's not rocket science. And we've taken out all the heartache, pain, and suffering that comes with trying to learn a big, robust program. We've simplified it down. We've given you tools. You're going to have access to the Norwood Strategy Scanner and our filter, proprietary tools to help you find those perfect setups in the market, the specific setups that we train you on what to look for, and that allows you to spend more time focusing on what is the high probability entry versus trying to find an entry. And we provide you with a team. We have a network of fellow traders who have taken the same program, who are finding success that you get to rub shoulders with, along with myself and Kirk, the founders, as we are trading live in our PIP club and in our scanner forum. And all it takes is your time, your effort in that time period, set aside each day to study and practice and get good at it. With the training, the tools, and the team, your time will be well spent. So let's go see what some of the other students are experiencing. Okay, here's our scanner forum. This is where all of our students that have the scanner are able to come in, network with each other, share ideas as to what they have found in the market in regards to the strategy, what trading experience they've had, also point out when they're taking positions, showcase what they did right, what they did wrong, and get that networking going that helps you find that real sweet spot in being able to find success. You get to learn from others doing the same thing, speaking the same language. Here is the trade I took for 18 pips. Showcased it in the room while we were taking the trades in the pip club being announced. Here's another one I took for 16.3 pips. Okay, here's what Clark did for 2 trades, actually, one for 67 and one for 42, a total of 109 pips. Here's one, or a series, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different positions that were taken by John, all of which totaled 495 pips. Chad took this sweet little trade here. John did another one here for 13 pips. Here's one that Alberto did for 38, and another one for 49. And here's 2 that I did, one for 17 going long and then another one for 43 going short, all in the same currency pair. Talk about timing and consistency and knowing exactly what to do. There's the how and the why right there. Here's another one that John did for 50 pips. Here are two more that were done in opposite directions by Alberto, one for 17 and one for 15. Here's a series of trades I took, and here's the cool thing about it, I wasn't even trying. Had I been more effective in watching for my entries instead of looking at other currency pairs at the time, I actually would have doubled my money made in this pair alone and didn't even have to trade those other pairs. Here's two more trades that John took a total of 60 pips out of. And here's two more that he took for 530 pips. Now this is trading the larger time frames. There's some skill involved in that, but this is very doable. Here's another one for 50. Two more for 65. Another one for 36 by Alberto. Another one for 56 that Alberto did too. So there's tons of dialogue going on in this session, in these sessions on a daily basis. We're seeing all kinds of different things, people communicating, talking about the good work they did, and even licking their wounds. There's no pride here in this room. It's a great place to actually just be you, get down to the business of making money. Here's some more that Chad did. This one was a trade I was doing with him as well. This one did 21 pips. This one did 11. This one did 13. And this one did, I think, 7. Anyway, there's tons going on. And all you have to do is come to the free webinar to learn about the program, learn what it takes to get this system into your hands, how to join, be a part of this team, and find success. Now remember, 1 month you could double your money if you had all the tools, resources, and time in place. We have the training. We provide you with the tools and the vehicle. We have the team. You just need to take the time. So I invite you to click on the link below, register for the webinar, and I will see you on the other side.